Package dimensions: 2.286 L by 2.794 H by 7.874 W centimeters. Package weight: 0.15 pounds. Automotive cooling parts. Country of origin: China. Since 1918, we have been the automotive aftermarket's pioneering problem solvers. We have released thousands of parts and components that people could once only buy from original equipment manufacturers. By always innovating, we have led the way in growing the aftermarket, providing more opportunity to individuals and businesses who depend on automotive maintenance. That's why our catalog includes more than 80,000 products and grows every year. Top reviews from the United States. Works well. Delivered on time, packaged very well. Perfect fit, no issues. Replaced heater core inlet on intake manifold, 2000 GMCK 35007.4L. Used the couple days shipping to prepare the truck. Excessive penetrating oils, paraffin wax. Truck has 328,000 miles, roughly. Still had OE fitting and OE leak.